Okay, so very simple. I'm going to teach you how to upload and schedule a video here on YouTube. So this is going to be my channel here, Content Creator Tools. And again, this is something that is done pretty simple. All you have to do is come up here to the top and kind of go into this plus sign right here, and you're going to click upload video. It's going to bring you into the screen right here, and then you're going to select the file. Obviously, when you click here, you're going to have to look for the file wherever you place it, desktop, external hard drive, or wherever you put it at. Okay, so the video is uploading right now, and essentially here, typically what I do is that I work in my descriptions and things like that. If you can see you have a title, then you're going to have a description right here. Typically, this is preloaded already. There's places here on YouTube where you can put this information. So every time you upload a video, it's already there. So I cleaned this up a little bit. If you scroll down right here, you're going to have the choice to upload a thumbnail. Obviously, very important for you to do that. Once again, click there and then look wherever you put that thumbnail at. Then you're going to have playlist. I highly recommend you to have playlist so you can organize your content. As you can see right here, I got Canva tutorial, YouTube, iPhone tutorials, how-to, gear reviews, and things like that. This content is not made for children. You're going to click show more. And here, if you're getting paid or something like that, you're supposed to click this tab right here, right? So if you have a video that is a sponsor, you're actually receiving money, you need to click that. And this right here is actually something new for this year where it says, do any of the following describe your content? And again, look through those questions and make sure you be honest. Right here, you're going to put some of the tabs that you want to put. Then you're going to click next. You're going to have some licenses. You're going to have some subtitles. You're going to have end screen. And one thing that you won't have in this channel that you typically have in channels that are monetized is a section where you click monetization. Now, I do have a channel that is monetized, and usually what happens there is that you have to pick what kind of content you have, if it's friendly, things like that. If it's a longer video as well, you have the choice to put more than one advertisement, and you can actually go into the video and place it where you want to. Obviously, YouTube decides if it's going to serve an advertisement or not, but you have the choice to set where you want it to be placed. This channel is not monetized completely, so we're going to go ahead and click next. And again, you know, YouTube is going to do their checks for copyrights and things like that. And right here, you're going to have private, unlisted, or public. I never recommend the video to go public right away, because if you do that, you don't give enough time for that video to process. I usually give the video some time for YouTube to be able to process the video. But if you see right here, it says schedule, then you're going to click there and you're going to pick the date and time that you want to be released. Let's say, for example, I want this video to be released on the 9th. I'm going to click the 9 here, and I'm going to click 11 o'clock. Now, if you click this set as a premiere, essentially what that means is that you and your viewers can watch a video together. So to give you an idea, it kind of feels like a live stream. You can come into the video, you could be in the comments, and you can make real live comments as you and your subscribers watch the video. In this case, it's not going to be a premiere. So I got the date, I got the time, and then I just got to click sketch. And there you have it. Your video will be set public on June 9 at 11 a.m. Very simple. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.